What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the LG V30. Let's get to it. So while unboxing this phone, I noticed a few things that got me excited. The first thing I noticed was the headphone jack, which seems to be a rarity these days. And not only is this a headphone jack, it's a headphone jack with a 32-bit hi-fi quad DAC. This component converts digital files to an analog signal, meaning your audio is going to sound rich and full when using it with a good pair of headphones. This is definitely something that I'm incredibly excited to test out. It's just too bad that they didn't include a pair of headphones in the box like Samsung did with their latest models. As for the phone's external speakers, I'm not going to be holding my breath as there's just one bottom firing speaker on the V30, and that's usually never a good sign. But I'll be sure to test that out and give you my final thoughts in the upcoming review. Additionally, I noticed that the back of the phone is all glass, which means we get wireless charging, but the downside of that is it's going to show some nasty fingerprints. You can't have it all, my friends. Another thing that I realized is that this design is almost identical to the G6, which isn't a bad thing by any means, but at this point, why not just call it the LG G6 Plus? And surprisingly enough, this phone is actually pretty light. It definitely feels lighter than my iPhone X, which has a smaller body. Overall, at first glance, this seems to be a solid phone. It looks nice, feels nice, and will hopefully sound nice. I'll be using the V30 as my daily driver over the next few weeks, so stay tuned for my full review where I'll be sure to let you know if it's worth a buy. That's all I had for you today, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and first impressions video of the LG V30. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.